Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how to turn on dial pad tone setting in a Realme phone and how can you use it in this video guys. I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to on dial pad tone. Then guys scroll it friends, you can see your sound and vibration setting friends. Tap here and scroll it. So as you can see guys, your sound and vibration setting here, you want to use your do not disturb setting, ringtone setting, you can use guys your advanced setting. So as you can see your haptic and tunes, tap here and guys you can see your system sound setting here. So once you want to on your dial pad tone, so once you can on from this right side, we will on it. Guys how to use guys now let's see. So once you can see when you enter a number dial pad, you can use like that. So guys you want to use your dial pad tone, so as you can use like that, and guys you want to on, you can on if you want. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, we will meet on next video, bye friends.